Chanel, go get it. She want Chanel, go get it. She want this Fendi, go get it. She want the brick, go get it. She want this Gucci, she get it. She want this Louis, go get it. Lose with the spike, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. How about the bitch, she get it. How about the Lil, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. I bought the two, she get it. A shot to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on that dude. Anything she wants, she can get it. Anything you see, you can get it. He gon' make keys to the Bentley. When I got good intentions. I just can't get my pound to start itching. What on me like I live with the fishes. I know every color in tennis. Got the diamond put in by my dentist. I'ma shine when I'm skinny and grinning. Ice my watch, I'm not wasting my time. Got no dripping with Uzi and slime. Connect with my like a Wi-Fi. Got the end at the end like a cha-cha. I got ends I can take care of the south side. I been bidding these being that ties. Baby, you Saint Laurent Hill in your size. Flip house and fill it with vibes. I'm more Jacob to cover my eyes. She need help, I'ma send her a dime. I can't pull nothing, listen to lines. I should be all the best, he recline. She want me put that dick on her spine. Take her shopping and keep her from crying. You don't think you one of a kind. And Chanel with disease on both sides. She want Chanel, go get it. She want Chanel, go get it. She want this Fendi, go get it. She want the brick, go get it. She want this Gucci, she get it. She want this Louis, go get it. Lose with the spike, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. How about the bitch, she getting it. How about the Lil, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. I bought the two, she get it. A shot to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on that dude. Anything she wants, she can get it.
They lock the door and we walk infinity. Say the hundreds, them doors be spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no car. Blue G-Wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she ain't post her body. Check price tag, you want it, you get it. Yo, big dog a fan, you scared to admit it. Get 6 for a show, I'm handling in business. LA for a month, get away from the city. You sipping this syrup, I'ma need a new kid. Just tell me where it's at, and I'm going to get it. Whatever I say, she on it. Blue Range Rover, she on it. We don't do no, she on it. Running out of space for the best of her cars. Running through checks every day, no fraud. Rose gold president, she roll it, look polished. Bad look, good brand, go college. You ain't really got a favor, nothing I got. Big bank gold, ain't told no wallet. On withdrawal, ain't deposit. T-Pain plies, I call it my shot. My shot.
She want Chanel, go get it. She want Chanel, go get it. She want this Fendi, go get it. She want the brick, go get it. She want this Gucci, she get it. She want this Louis, go get it. Lose with the spike, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. How about the bitch, she get it. How about the Lil, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. I bought the two, she get it. A shot to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on that dude. Anything she wants, she can get it.
Happy 16th birthday, son. I love you. I hope you have fun today. I hope you get everything that you wish for. And I wish you many, many more.
Yeah, happy birthday, Lo. This your pops, man. I wish you many, many more, man. Stay positive and keep your head up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Carlos. I surprised you, didn't it? Okay, I just want to thank God for you and you enjoy your day on your 16th birthday. Boy, you getting up there now. All right, then. Have fun. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, grandson. I love you. Happy 16th birthday. My little turtle. Big turtle now. Love you, son.
Say, I love you so much, twin. You know I love you so much. I can't wait to say, good thing you made another year. You 16. It's your day. Don't let nobody blow on your day. The day, like, I want you to, like, turn up your day. Like, when we all outside, just be lit and stuff. I want you to do this on your birthday, too, bro. I don't want nobody just to ruin your day. I don't want you to be sad on your day. I don't want, like, none of that. I want you to have a smile on your face. Always have a smile on your face. This man, Carlos, bro. This man, when I'm on my rest days, he made me laugh. And, like, I really thank this man that, because, like, he been on my side, like, forever. He always tell me what not to do or what to do. He always tell me, like, what's right or what's not. Like, he always tell me, like if I say I'm going to do this, he gonna say, no, this ain't a good idea, don't do that. So I like, all right, and I don't do it. And I thank that man for that. Yeah, that's all I got to say. I love you, man.
Happy 16th birthday, Lo. I know you dead fresh on them out there. Hey, man, continue to be the smart kid that you are, man. Hey, love Uncle C, man. Happy birthday again.
It's your big sister here. I'm just here to wish you happy birthday. You have plenty more birthdays to come. You know what I'm saying? And love you.
Happy 16th birthday, Carlos. I hope you got everything you wanted. I know you're going to have a great time.
Birthday, I love you. I hope you have fun. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Carlos. Love you. That was really grown, period.
What's up, little Carlos? Wishing you a happy 16th birthday. I hope you enjoy the day, and I'm wishing you many more. Happy birthday, little nigga.
This our third video now. Happy birthday, Carlos.
Happy birthday, Carlos. Enjoy. Hey, Carlos. I want to wish you a happy 16th birthday from Auntie Pumpkin, and I wish you many, many more, and I love you.
Happy 16th birthday, Carlos. Auntie loves you. I hope today is full with lots of positive energy and love, and I wish you many, many more. Love you.
Birthday, Carlos. We love you.
Love you, bye.
Hello, what up, boy? Happy birthday, man. I wish you many, many more. Stay positive. Stay in school.
Good afternoon. Happy birthday, Carlos, my only grandson. Wishing you a happy birthday today and many more to come. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, little Carlos. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. And keep God first. Pray. And maintain and be safe. Enjoy your day. Woohoo!
Happy 16th birthday, Carlos. I wish you many birthday blessings. I hope you enjoy your day, and I wish you the best.
Birthday, cuz. Happy birthday, little Carlos. It's so tied up on this.
Happy birthday, Carlos. This is from your cousin Tinkerbell. Have a good birthday.
Happy 16th birthday, Carlos.
Hey, Carlos. Happy 16th birthday. Love you. Hope you have many, many more. And enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.
Carlos.
Birthday, little Carlos, man. 16 years old. You've been on this earth. Peace and blessings to you, man. You know, and keep on doing your thing. Holler at me. Peace and stop.
Happy 16th birthday, nephew. I hope that you enjoy it, and may you have many, many more.
I'd like to take this moment to wish my nephew a happy birthday. I hope everything that you wished and dreamed for came true, and that you continue to blossom as a young man. All right, love you, boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little Carlos. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little Carlos. I love you, little Carlos. Bye.
Happy birthday, Carlos. I hope you enjoyed your birthday. Happy birthday, little Carlos.
Happy birthday, Carlos. Happy 16th birthday. I'm trying to be quiet.
Happy birthday, my love. I miss you so much. I hope you enjoy this birthday. Turn up for real. Woo! Like I would do. You know how I do it.
Birthday, little Carlos.
Happy birthday, Carlos.
I could have sworn T sent me 2 pictures.
Hey, what's up, bro? Happy birthday, Lo, man. Uncle Boo, man. Many more, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. Make your mama and your daddy proud. Keep doing the right thing, gangster. I'm behind you with whatever.
This message goes out to Carlos.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus. But Gamer vs. Gamer is the cure.
Gamer vs. Gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.